Hey guys, thank you for tuning back into my channel. My name is VELDOGG and this is my kitchen. Where I'll be bringing you affordable restaurant quality foods, or better, from my home to yours. Guys, let's get cooking. Okay guys, today on the chopping block, we got pizza burger. We're going to be making us some pizza burger sliders today. Okay, if you want to know how I did my meat and all this stuff, the seasoning that goes in it, and how I make my pizza burgers, there will be a link at the end of this video. Just click on the thumbnail and it should take you directly to it. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and make up these meatballs, and I'll see you in a minute. Okay guys, all I did was here put the sauce in there. Instead of putting it in the pot, I'm going, because I needed to be in something flat like this, because I'm going to put them on the slider bread. So I just put a little red wine vinegar and all that stuff in it, you know, like something like this. And if you don't have that, you can use some balsamic. Put a little dry basil in it, and I put a little garlic salt Lawry's, and I put a little of this in the Parmesan Romano, and that's it. Now I'm gonna put this thing back on here and let that cook for about 3 minutes. And we should be good. Then I'm gonna put the cheese on and cook it for 3 more minutes. Okay, let me just make sure I'm doing this right. That's a shame. I had this thing all the time. All right, let's see, 3 minutes. And I'll be back in a minute. Okay guys, I'm back. Trying to get this cheese and stuff and put on there. So I got some provolone. See, and this, the reason why I did it like this is because if I did it any other type of way, like normally I have that in the pot. So this is why I did it like this, so I can just put the cheese on top of it like this. And it will melt down. Of course. Say no doubt about it. It better melt down, huh? So that's the provolone thrown on there. Then I'm going to put some of this cheddar on there. Okay, that's about it on the cheese for that. And we take out some of this Italian cheese. Okay, that should be enough of that. Let me get my vegetables. Alright. Alright, we got some green peppers. We're just going to throw those on there, like so. Now, if you want to, you can put you some onions on yours if you want to. These chopped up mushrooms. Well, like I told you, you know, a lot of people over here, they act like they don't like onions, so I try not to put the onions on there. Okay. I think that's it on that. Throw a few black olives over here. Just like making a pizza. Now on the other one, I did use some pepperonis. And I put pepperonis on that. And this is the spinach right here. Chopped up spinach. I'm not going to put a whole bunch on there. I know I put that on there as well. And some green onions. Okay. That should be it. Alright, we're going to put the lid on there and let that cook till that melt down, and we'll show you what we got. Pizza burger sliders. That's right. Alright, let me put this on cook. I'll go, oh, well, I don't think 5 minutes. I'll try 5. I'll just come back and check it out. I'll do 4. How about that? Alright, see you guys in a minute. Okay guys, that's it right there. I'm gonna go ahead and start putting these together, put them on these little buns, set the plate up, and I'll show you guys how they look when I'm done in a minute. Okay guys, I am back. There it is, right here. These are the best. I guarantee you that. These pizza burgers are off the chain. Okay? These are mini pizza burger sliders from my home to yours. Hope you guys check out this recipe, and do not forget to hit that link at the end of this video. You'll see it's got playlists on it. The first thing you're gonna see is that pizza burger that I made, and all the ingredients is in there. So I encourage you guys to go check that out if you can. I don't like to beg, but here it is. Try to run my playlist if you can, because I'm in need of hours, watch time hours. About almost to 1,000. So guys, please help me out. And you ain't got to watch the video if you don't want to, you know, and don't turn down the volume, because it counts against you. Okay, so just let it run. If you ain't got nothing that you're doing or whatever, if you ain't on your phone or whatever, just let it run, or whatever the case may be, and help your boy out to get these watch time hours in, before we can get monetized, so I can start doing like giveaways and stuff like that. Because right now I'm not currently working, so I'm just letting you guys know what's going on with me, you know. So saying that to say this, I'm gonna go ahead and wrap it up. You know, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and hit that bell. Please hit the bell for me. I can't stress that enough. Hit that bell and let me know who you is, so you too can join this family, this awesome family. All right, we'll put the bell right there so you guys can hit it. Let's hit it one more time. All right, it's got parentheses on it, so make sure you hit that bell for me, and tell all your friends and family to tune in to VELDOGG's Kitchen, where I'll be bringing you affordable restaurant quality food, or better. See you guys next time in VELDOGG's Kitchen. Let's get cooking.